chingadera, receptacle for the chingadera, almost there, hopefully. Oh shit. Alright, we'll figure this out. Brand new kind of a debacle here. Lost this guy right there. And the cap is riveted on. So, we'll figure this out. Even worse, the damn, stupid piece of shit. Oh, yeah, no, that's fucked right there, but... And I can't pull this out because it's like wedged in there. So, how about making it even worse? Okay. Maybe it's time to think differently. Where's the zip tie? Fuck, where are my zip ties? Maybe. Okay, so there's 1 out of 2 pieces. And 2 out of 2 pieces. Got it back from the abyss. Now the problem I have is that all my Allen wrenches have this ball end and it just does this. So when I try to stick it in here, it just ends up falling off, so let's try it again. Same way though. Okay, it's in the hole. I'm gonna pause the video so that way I have both my hands. Turns out I was going the wrong way. Turning the fucking thing the wrong way. So now, see the screw sticks in there a little bit. That's fine. We'll just send your bud. There we go. Now you may be wondering, why do I have a spark arrestor? Why did I add a spark arrestor? I didn't have one. Typically you remove these. Well, there's certain places where if you want to ride, they're required. So, gotta have one. I don't know if this one's USFS approved, which is the United States Forestry Service, but the whole muffler is, so I guess as long as I see one, it'll be fine. We'll figure it out when we get there. Excuse me, it's all dusted. It's been sitting in here and we've been doing woodwork, so I'm gonna start it. It is in neutral, as noted by this chingadera. And oh, I've got to have the, whoops,